Hello Karishma from let's see your portrait here. So the first thing when we paint a realistic work or when we are showing a realistic work to someone, the person judge the drawing, the proportion first. In your drawing here, I feel the eyes are too big, or if the eye size is this, then the nose is too small. So there is some correction which you need to do in terms of the drawing. Also the lips, it has moved a bit towards the left, so you need to shift it towards the right. Always spend most of your time in drawing. If the drawing is perfect, the painted image will look good. If the drawing is not good, even though you spend 10 hours on painting, it will never look correct. Okay, so that is first thing. Second, I feel that you have understood the theory of how the light and shadow works, because I see there is a strong firm shadow on the cheek, and most of the side is dark in comparison to the lighter side. So good on that. Good that you have understood how the light source work. When I count values, I can see that you have introduced a lot of values. So there is the lighter side, and then middle, and then some darker side. So your values are good, your painting quality is good, understanding of light and shadow is good, but the main thing, which is the drawing, it's missing. It is possible that you drew really good before starting, your drawing was perfect, but as you paint, you lost the drawing, and then the end result was not a perfect anatomy. If that is the case, then if you can draw once, you can draw the same image as many times possible. So when you paint, in between, take breaks, move away from your painting, judge your painting in terms of drawing. If there is any correction, just make it right there, instead of keep on painting and not checking the proportions in between. Keep on checking the proportions in between for a perfect drawing. Secondly, the reference here, it doesn't have, though the face has shadow, but the strong light source is missing. With that I mean, we never paint nostrils like this. Okay, there should be a strong shadow around here, so that the nostril gets merged into the shadow shape, and then you get the sharp nose. Here it seems like the nose is flat, like it's pressed inside. So the reason behind that is because there's no shadow near the nose part. I think this is a small shadow or a nostril, it's not clear. So pick a good reference if you're not sure whether the reference is good or not, or if you have done from live, like if this is a live study, then make sure the light source is strong enough. You can always WhatsApp me or email me the image before doing it, so I can tell you whether to proceed with it or not. So practice more of anatomy and you'll do good.